He's a guy that love tea. Hi, what's up everybody? I'm from Jamaica. Greetings from Jamaica. So I hope everybody is having a great and a fantastic week. So to all my Estonians, I'm happy to be a part of y'all family. So people, I'll be reacting to Espresso Macchiato by Tammy Cash. So with this being said, let's see what detailed and how he's expressing himself in this video. So with this being said, let's go. Peace. Let's see how this goes. Well, that's actually neat, bro. That's actually neat. The entry looks cool, bro. Like two individuals popped out of a box, and the person who carried the box before carries it like it's light. Like this is a literally magical thing to look at. Very unique. Very, very unique. Same individuals with different, scenery. Okay, so I love the creativity. It's good. It's really good. I'm not sure if it's the same individuals, but it's looking so. So please correct me. But I do love the creativity. It's beautiful, bro. It's beautiful. I expected this from, ah, hey, I love this guy's sense of humor, bro. He's always making me so happy. Hey, I love the dance so much. I love his body expression so much, bro. This man always delivers in his music. He always delivers in his dances. He always making sure that his performance is very energetic. And I do love it. I do love the energy that is flowing from this video, bro. Let's continue. Uh, the footworks, the footworks are fucking incredible. Bah! Yeah, yeah, definitely a star in the footworks. Definitely. And I always respect this man's movement, bro. The footwork are always not so visible because I haven't seen such crazy footworks in a good while. Trust me, this man is the one that pioneers the footworks in this music video competition, bro. Trust me, in this Eurovision competition, bro, he's the one that pioneered the footworks. Trust me, phenomenal. Oh! Rah, rah, rah. Yes, I love the video. Love the style, you know. Love how you guys just be so darn creative, right? I guess he's talking to his former self, right? And he's expressing himself to his former self. And I do love it. I guess this is very unique, singular, and different. Quite a fascinating. A relief to look at these guys, to look at him, as a matter of fact, right? Very good. Very good. I love the way how he's just expressing himself in this video. Very good video. Very good correlation of nice. Just nice. I just love the way all this video looks. It makes me feel so refined. It makes me feel so comfortable. It makes me feel so good. And this is the way all people should express themselves. This is the way all people should be creative in everything they do. Not just to follow the crowd, but to just do you. And this is the fact that I'm supporting this guy now because he's doing himself. And when you be yourself, that is very important. Not trying to be someone else who you're not. This is very important, bro. Very important.
Espresso, macchiato, corneo.
Whoa. Whoa. That's dope. That's dope. That's like a black hole trapping someone, bro. They just sucked in like that. Let's continue because I'm impressed. I am freaking impressed. Oh my god. Anyone who does this video, bro, you deserve a raise. You deserve an Oscar for this, man. I ain't gonna lie, dog. Yo, he's a guy love tea, right? And I can see all the tea that he drinks and the thing that, literally sweeten the tea. It's here. The sugar, the people who serve the tea, right? We have the coffee, we have the milk, we have the sugar. Bro, mi amore, mi amore, bro. The creativity is on point. The creativity is top notch, bro. I love this. I love the way all you guys just be so unique. And I think you guys have a chance to win this because they're looking for creativity, different style, different persona of these people. Right? And the way all they disclose their videos, bro, the way all they express themselves in these videos, it's realistically real. Speaking well. Amazing. Amazing. Awesome video. I ain't gonna lie. Awesome video. This is very good, bro. Tommy Cash, you've did excellent here. You've outdone yourself here. Very good video. Extraordinary video. Well done, bro. Well done, Tamika. So if you guys enjoyed my reaction, remember to leave a like, smash a subscribe button, share this to a friend, and I'll see you guys in the next content. Peace.